Well, hello from the SIGB ski test here in the resort of Lacusa, where for the last few days, myself, Kev, Rob and Sam here, we've been testing all the skis that are going to, well, not all of them, but a lot of the skis that are going to be hitting the shops in the 2024-25 season. And we've brought together 3 skis from the Piste category, Piste Performance or Piste category, however you want to explain it. And what we've tried to do is pick out one that we would say is kind of like a top end, one that sits somewhere in the middle, and the one that might be the first pair of Piste skis that you buy. So help you, give you a bit of an understanding on where you sit. And Rob, you've gone for a pretty cool looking pair of Salomons as the top of the line one.
They do look so cool, those kind of retro colours.
Yeah.
That's the only thing retro about this ski though.
Yeah.
It is bang on, modern, amazing, fun, lively to ski on. It is aimed at that sort of high-end expert on piste skier, someone that maybe is an instructor or a racer, but you know, saying all of that, it's really easy to ski on.
Okay.
It just performs at a very, very high level.
Yeah.
But if you know, it turns so easily. I think any skier could get on the ski and ski on it, but you know, if you're an expert, you will get the most out of it. It's just snappy, you know, all those things, lively, fun, energetic. It just flies all over the mountain like a rocket, and you know, you get a smile on your face, even though you're on piste. It's fun. It's fun to ski on piste, right?
It is a lot
when
of
you have stuff like
yeah.
this.
I mean, the swallowtail.
Swallowtail's
Oh,
cool.
this little swallowtail. You know, when you first see that, you think, maybe that's a bit of a gimmick, right? Who knows? I mean, who knows if it wasn't there, if this ski would be even better or not, but I don't care, because it's so good anyway, and it does look pretty cool. Yeah.
So Rob, for the ones you've picked, you've skied on about 5 or 6 different skis this week in the Piste category. That's the one that you're picking out as the sort of the top one for the more expert advanced skier. This then, Sam, also for an expert advanced skier, but accessible to somebody who's in the middle as well.
Yeah, so this is the Vocal Race Tiger.
Yeah.
And Vocal are known for making amazing race skis. And I tested quite a few race skis this week. But this ski, it's a little bit softer, so it's got the same shape as the slalom race ski, but it's much more accessible.
Brilliant.
And I would say this ski is perfect for an advanced or an advanced intermediate skier who wants to really start getting into carving. And even if you're a very advanced skier, quite frankly, and you want to be able to do the carving without putting in quite so much effort, because the ski really does a lot of work for you. It's a great ski.
And that's interesting as well, you're kind of like ex-mogul skier, and you're kind of, you know, you enjoy skiing piste, so you could ski on, you know, a top level ski, but when you come down the range, the ones that sit in the middle, you still get a lot of fun out of them, you still get a lot of performance.
And you've got to live with the ski. You can't, you know, a race ski maybe for a few runs, really high adrenaline stuff, but for the whole day, you know, this is a great ski for the whole day.
So we're kind of like then top, middle, well I don't want to say bottom because it's not bottom, but what I'm going to say about the Rossignol Forza 50 here, then if you've been on perhaps 3-4 ski holidays, you're thinking, I'm going to buy my first pair of skis, I ski on the piste a lot, I want something that's going to help me to carve, I'm having specifically lessons with an instructor all about carving, then this is where this comes into play, the Forza 50. It's got loads of technology on here that comes from the race department skis, but sort of comes down, the way the side cut is, the way the construction is under here, but it's just easy to use. Put it on a blue run that's groomed, put it on a red run that's groomed, just carve from edge to edge, do the drills that your instructor's telling you, and suddenly you're like, wow, that sensation, it's great, isn't it? When you put the ski on the edge for the first time and feel it whip around, you're going to be able to do that with the Forza 50. If you're looking at that range as well and you're thinking, yeah, but I ski as well as somebody who should be skiing on the one that Rob has there, well then pan it up, because there's a 60 and a 70 and a 70 mask with the Forza range as well. But if we're kind of giving you your first pair of skis, somebody who's upgrading a pair of skis, you know, kind of intermediate skier, or then, you know, an advanced skier, you can go kind of 1, 2, 3. The choice is yours. And as always, we've been here for a week. We've had fun, lads, but we've done a lot of testing. We've got individual videos on all of these skis, so please do check the YouTube channel. Follow us on the socials and see where we are next year on the Instagram and the TikTok. And as always, thanks for your company.